Hi love, in this video I'm going to show you how to revamp your coily wigs, taking it from this right here to something more presentable. So this is what I'm working with. This hair had hair clips in it. I noticed that some hair were trapped in the hair clips. I had to use that T-pin to pull them out from the hair clip. And after taking it out from that hair clip right there, I'm just going to put it back on the mannequin so you guys get to see what the hair looked like prior to when I finish washing it and then styling it, and I'll show you the final look. To wash this hair, you notice I did not detangle the hair first. I'm just going to go straight and pour water on the hair to wet it. Then next, I'm going to wash it with this Tresemme shampoo, which is the silky and smooth shampoo. I just apply a generous amount all over the hair and use my hands to massage the shampoo all over the hair. And if I feel like the water on the wig is not enough, I'm going to go back in and reapply water. But for now, I think the water is sufficient. I just want to just massage that product all over the hair and just take out the dirt. And you can see how brownish the water coming out of the wig is. That's to show you that the hair is very, very dirty. So I kept on massaging this shampoo all through the hair. And what I'm going to do next is to pour water to rinse off that excessive dirt that is trapped inside of this wig. So I'm just pressing the hair in just to ensure that I can drain out the water. Then next I'm going to rinse the hair all over again just to take out the dirt that are still in this wig. So rinse, and then after rinsing it, what I'm going to do next is to reapply more of that shampoo just so that I can get a second wash and take out any of the dirt that hasn't come out from the first wash that we just did. So I'm just massaging that product all over the hair and also trying to extend the product to the upper part of the wig, not just the bottom, but you need to ensure that you wash the totality of the wig from the upper part to the bottom part, the middle part, and even the insides of the wig cap. Try as much as possible to ensure that those areas get a little bit of washing to take out any of the dirt and odors that might be trapped inside of the wig. Then next, what I'm doing now is to rinse off this wig. So I'm going to rinse it off with tap water, which is like room temperature water, and rinse it off again just to ensure that the hair is completely clean. Yes, rinse it off. Okay, then next I'm going to use this conditioner from Tresemme, which is the Rich Moisture conditioner. So I'm going to apply that conditioner all over the hair and use my fingers to massage it through all over the hair. And I'm also going to ensure that the hair gets this conditioner. Like, I just want to ensure that I apply it all over, that all of the hair gets it. And then after I've generously applied the conditioner all over all the parts of the hair, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go back to another conditioner and also reapply that other Tresemme volumizing conditioner to this wig, just so that, because the hair is just made with two bundles and a closure, so I want it to have a little bit of volume as my client starts wearing it. I want the hair to be sort of expanding. So I applied that volumizing conditioner and I started to blend the product all over. Then I added this Moroccan argan oil keratin treatment, which is going to help protect and strengthen the strands of this hair and just nourish the hair to make it more beautiful and appear like it's brand new all over again. So I'm just applying that keratin treatment all over the entire hair, and I'm just taking away the hairs that I've cut out from the hair, because you know, with coily hair, when it's sort of like a little bit tangled, you don't get to detangle it when it's dry. So when you're washing it, you're going to have little bits of shedding or the hair that is going to cut off. So I apply that castor oil all over the hair now to serve as a moisturizer to help strengthen the strands. And I'm using my hairbrush now to brush through the hair just to help detangle it, because I don't want to leave the tangled part of the hair in there. So with the conditioner and that keratin treatment that is in the hair, is going to make brushing through this hair a lot more easier. And while the keratin treatment is just helping to restore and revitalize the hair strands, and the castor oil is also strengthening the strands, I can just detangle the hair completely. And this is what the hair looks like after I've completely detangled this. The curls look juicy and very healthy. So what I'm going to do now is just to rinse it off. So I'm going to rinse off the excess of the product from the wig, and when I'm pleased with how clean the wig is, I'll just proceed to the next step, which is going to be air drying the hair. And after I've air dried the hair, what I'm going to do next is to style it. So I'm pleased with how clean the hair is right now after I finish rinsing it off. Then this is what the hair looks like after I've air dried it. So what I'm doing right now is just to use my hair wax to lay the flyaway hairs on the closure area, and I'm using that comb to just comb through it. Next, I'm going to take my heat protectant spray it on top of the closure area, and then I'll start using that coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area just to get it to lay flat and smooth. Yeah, so depending on how the wig was styled, whether it's a middle part or a side part or a C part or a T part, just ensure that you get the pattern to be exactly how your client wants it to be. And this is the finished look of this wig. Don't forget, this wig was maybe just bundles of hair and a closure. That's the reason why it doesn't look very full, but by the time my client starts wearing it, it's obviously going to get bigger and more beautiful. So this is what we started with right here. It looked fuller right here and shorter, and this is what we've ended with. It looks longer, it looks scanty, but as my client starts wearing her wig, it's going to start appearing more voluminous and also longer, of course. So guys, let me just show you a little bit more of what the wig looks like and just see how beautiful the curls turned out looking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, people would have courage, live a positive life, and don't forget to check out my ebooks on my website, how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, love.